Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Jelly Bed review. Scam or legit? Jelly Bed has been trending online, but let's break down whether it's a scam or legit. Essentially, the viral jelly beds you see, super bouncy, translucent, almost cartoonish, are mostly AI generated or concept visuals, not real products. In reality, the term sometimes refers to mattresses with gel-infused layers for cooling or pressure relief, which is legitimate and can improve comfort. However, much of the hype comes from misleading videos and marketing, so if you buy something advertised as jelly bed, claiming those wild visuals, you're likely overpaying for standard gel mattresses. There's little credible evidence that these jelly-like designs exists as depicted online, and durability, support, and specs are often unclear. Additionally, some vendors may exaggerate claims or use stock photos that don't reflect the actual product, which can lead to disappointment. So while the underlying gel mattresses concept is real and useful, the viral jelly bed hype is mostly misleading and should be approached with caution. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.